Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Fun, and today we're diving into Assam Sad. I'll be going through the Assam Sad carefully, making sure it's clear and easy to follow. If you have any thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments. Is Sam sad? Is Sam as sad as Dan? Is Tim sad? Is Tim as sad as Pam? Is Pip sad? Is Pip as sad as Sid? Is Sam sad? Is Tim sad? Is Pip sad? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future readings. It really helps out the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.